All right, our third and final question here uses this histogram. So 2 questions here. Sorry about the bell. We'll just keep going. How many students scored 80% or higher? So wondering how many scored 80% or higher. So what I do is I look for that 80 mark on our histogram down here. So I see here's the 80, right? Okay, so I want 80% or higher. So here's my line, right? And I want to see anything that is bigger than that line. So those are the numbers that I'm trying to get. That was kind of crazy. All right, so these are the guys I'm looking at, right? So if I look at the light green bar, it is just above the 12. So this is probably 13 students. Sorry, my pen is moving slow today. Okay, and then the teal bar over on the right is just above the 4, between the 4 and the 6. So this must be 5 students. So if I add 13 plus 5, I should get 18 students that had an 80% or higher. So my answer for part A is 18. Okay, then part B says how many students scored below a 60%. So again, I look for that 60% on my histogram. Here it is right here. So I want anything that is below that line. That's the number of students that I want. So we're looking at all of these bars together. So the red bar on the left, that looks like that is 1 student. The orange bar is right up at the 2. So that's 2 students. The yellow bar, again, 1 student. And the gray bar is 2 students. So 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3 gives me 6 students scored below a 60%. So that's how you kind of will take data from a histogram. That's what those histograms are the best for, is figuring out the actual kind of number of students in a certain range.